How you doing, everybody? My name is Jared. I'm from New York. I wanted to introduce myself because I want to make sure that you knew there was a real person behind this activity that you're about to research. I know there's a million different websites out there that you could be researching, so I want to really extend my thanks to you for being here. And real quickly, again, my name is Jared. I'm from New York. I have 2 daughters. I'm a real person, and I wanted to make sure that you knew there was a real person behind this activity because most of the time when you come to a capture page, it's just words, and I wanted to make sure you saw me eye to eye. I've been in this activity for about 2 years. I'm up to $175,000, and that's part-time. So that's how powerful this is. It's a great team. It's a great business, great products, and the compensation package is second to none. I will be supporting you. You'll never have to ask once you join, what now? Because I have it all laid out for all my members. It will be the best investment you probably will ever make as long as you put work into it. This is a business. So I'm here to support you. I'm here to hopefully welcome you to the team and speak to you on the phone. So again, do your due diligence, read every word, and make sure you leave a call back, and I'll call you back right away. Thanks a lot. Speak to you soon.